YouTube family, what's happening? It's your boy, Bull City Dasher, and we back with another video. It's Sunday morning. I'm up a little bit early. It's 8:20. Not busy on the map, but it's Sunday morning, so we're gonna see what we can do out here. Hopefully these orders come in all right with platinum status, so we should be okay, but we'll see what we get. I just want to finish the week strong, man. Yesterday was a rough day, and hopefully today we can kind of bounce back and end this week on a good note. I'd like to see about 250, 300 today, but we'll see what we get, man. I ain't gonna overdo it. Let's look at this first order. Catering bag required, my man. That's what I'm talking about right there. You see it. Let's get this thing. Let me accept it before I forget. All right, y'all, let's go get this thing picked up, get this shift started. Let's get it.
What's going on, boss? David? Appreciate it. That's everything, Thomas? Oh. I appreciate it. You too, man. Yes, sir. All right, appreciate y'all. How you doing? I figured they were all right if they were out here without leashes on. How you doing this morning? Good, good. You were out walking up to the house, Snowball? Huh? When they walking up to the house? Yeah. Hey, buddy. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. I got a couple coffees.
All right, gang. So we got that dropped off. That total went up nicely. 32.73. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's how you start a shift. We got another order already. Starbucks. I came back to Brugger's. Of course, Starbucks is next door. So we're gonna run next door, get this Starbucks picked up, keep this thing moving. Let's get it.
Good morning. I've got a DoorDash delivery for you. I can't get in the building.
Okay, yeah, I'm on my way.
All right.
Hello, thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good one.
All right, family, we got another Starbucks order. It's another high paying offer, they say. Let's go get this thing picked up, get it dropped off. That's not bad though. That's like $10 for like maybe 5 miles. I'll take it. It is what it is. Let's get it. All right, folks, we back at Starbucks again. Nobody eating this morning. Everybody just need coffee, I guess. But it is what it is, man. This order's gonna put us at $50 for the first hour, so I ain't mad at it. We're gonna go get it. Let's get it picked up, get this one dropped off too. And I'm coming right back over here because I'm trying to catch Panera or Bruegger's with a nice order. But Starbucks is all they need me for today, so let's go get it picked up, keep this thing moving. Let's get some money. Family, we got us another order. We at Bruegger's. It's a total will be higher. Let's go get it picked up so we can see what that total do. You already know. Let's get it.
Thank you.
All right, family. So we got that last order dropped off. We got this one. It's gonna be my last order. It's 11:15. We probably had this dropped off by about 11:30. I had to decline like 3 orders before I got this one. So I took this one for the sake of not doing too much damage to my AR. We here. Let's get this thing picked up. Get it dropped off. Get up out of here. Let's get it.
Appreciate you, sir.